photos of green, chrome shining on a big machine, dust flying like a memory. Out here's where we're meant to be. From the fields to the sky, every shot tells a story. Hard work, no filter, just dirt and glory. Michigan farm photos, we bring it to life. Every frame cut sharp like a brand new knife. From the rumble of wheels to the golden skies, we don't just shoot it, we make it fly. Yeah, we capture the grind, the sweat, the pride. Every acre's got a story inside. Michigan farm photos, roll it, let it show. This is how the heartland grows. Oh, yeah. Big ties turning, cutting through the land. Generations built by these hands. Every pass, every line so clean, living out the farming dream. No scripts, no fake, just real life scenes. Red barns, green rows, and big machines. Michigan farm photos, we bring it to life. Every frame cut sharp like a brand new knife. From the rumble of wheels to the golden skies, we don't just shoot it, we make it fly. When the sun drops low and the work's all done, that's when we catch what you become. Not just fields, not just land, it's a legacy you can hold in your hand. Michigan farm photos, Michigan farm photos, yeah. Michigan farm photos, turn it up loud for the ones in the fields, making us proud. From first light mornings to late night rows, we're telling the story.